Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your friends' birthdays on Snapchat. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, the Snapchat app lets you get a full list of all of the birthdays for all of your friends on Snapchat, so you can search for any given friend and see when their birthday is. So let's open up the Snapchat app here, and to access it, we're going to swipe to the right so that we get the chat screen pop up, and it doesn't matter which one you go to at this point, but you're just going to tap on a random chat. Once you're there, you can see the little rocket icon to the right in the middle of the screen here. I'm going to tap on that rocket icon, and then at the very bottom, it says All Games and Minis. We are going to tap on Minis here, and you can see Birthdays is the very first option. So we can tap on that to open it up, and it will save whose birthdays today and some upcoming birthdays. But if you scroll down, it says View All Friends, and I can tap on that. And now it will give me a list of all of my friends and exactly when their birthday is, as long as they shared that on Snapchat itself. So I can go through all of this and see who has birthdays coming up, who has birthdays similar to me, and all that stuff. So I can go to any one of these and know exactly which friends have which birthdays at any given date. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.